Myself Sanjani Patil. In our today's lecture, we are going to see next part of angles. Let us see what are the types of angles. See, first type is zero angle. Zero angle measures 0 degree. Why? Because two arms are at same position, initial position. Therefore, this angle is called as zero angle. Second type is acute angle. See, an angle which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Then third type is right angle. Right angle is of 90 degree. See, angle which measures 90 degree is called as right angle. So this angle PQR is right angle which measures 90 degree. Fourth type is obtuse angle. Angle which is greater than 90 degree. See, this angle is of 90 degree greater than this angle. So therefore, this angle is called as obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called as obtuse angle. Next type, that is straight angle. Angle which measures 180 degree. See, if you look at your protractor, it is of 180 degree. So same angle which measures 180 degree is called as straight angle. Next, sixth one is reflex angle. Angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. That angle, see, turning of arm ST from SR to ST. So this angle is called as reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree is called as reflex angle. And last type is complete angle. Angle which measures 360 degree. Means here there is a complete circle. See, here, therefore this angle is called as complete angle. Both arms are here after turning. Okay, turning of second arm. So this angle is called as complete angle. Let us see some examples of types of angles. Okay, let us see first example. Identify the type of angle. All these measures are given here. With the help of these measures, we have to write the name of the angle. Which type of angle this is and which type of angle this is. Let us see. 180 degree. Already we have seen in our definitions. 180 degree is the measurement of straight angle. So this is straight angle. Next, this angle is 0 degree. So type is also 0 angle. This angle 150 degree is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Therefore, it is called as obtuse angle. Then next, this is also greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So same type, obtuse angle. Then this is a right angle. Right angle measures 90 degree. 60 degree. This is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. So it is called as acute angle. This type of angle is acute angle. Next, 50 degree. This is also acute angle. Why? Less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Same angle, acute angle. Same reason, less than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree. 250 degree, it is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Therefore, this type of angle is called as reflex angle. Already we have seen all definitions. See, 310 degree. This is same angle, reflex angle. Why? Greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So this angle is also reflex angle. 240 degree. This is also reflex angle. Reflex angle. And next is 120 degree. This is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Therefore, this type of angle is called as obtuse angle. This angle is of 110 degree. So, therefore, this is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So, this angle is obtuse angle. This is also obtuse angle. Why? Greater than 90 degree. Same obtuse angle. Why? Reason is same. See? This is also greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So this angle is obtuse angle. And this one is also obtuse angle. All these are the angles and their types. Let us see second question. Match the following. See, here some measures of angles are given and we have to match all these measures with their names, types of angles. Okay, 180 degree, that angle is straight angle. Therefore, see, this is pair. 90 degree, a right angle. 130 degree, obtuse angle. This is zero angle. 360 degree, that is complete angle. 360 degrees complete angle and 30 degree is acute angle. So all these are the identification of angles. That's all. Thank you.